It's a full house refurb. It's my own home. We've gutted the house completely. There's full plumbing and electrics going in. There's virtually not a wall left standing when we started the house. So we're a bit off grid here, so we've already got, there's no mains gas, there's no main sewerage, so we've got septic tanks in the garden. So we've decided to go off grid as much as possible, limit the use of fossil fuels in the property. So we're actually putting a full solar array up on the roof. To do it properly, you've got to have battery storage. Official name is electric energy storage systems. So what we're doing is we're putting solar panels on with a double battery. The idea being we generate power during the day, and if we're not using it, we can store it in the battery and use it overnight. So coupled with that, we've decided to go for an electric boiler, which is a bit unusual, but because we haven't got gas and we don't really want oil, because it's quite expensive, we have an electric system boiler with a unvented cylinder. Now in the kitchen, the dining room, there's a big extension one out the back. I've actually got 6 separate zones of lighting. All got to be switched separately. So I'm using something called kinetic switches. With these switches, there's no electrical cables at all. So just the kinetic energy of you pressing the switch generates enough power to actually control a module which is in the lighting circuit. So we literally get a switch, which is nothing less than a pad that sticks to the wall with literally a blue tack. You can screw it on. But you press a button on the module and you pair the switch to it and then just literally stick it on the wall where you want to, or you can have a fob in the car.